Introducing the AERO, state-of-the-art, robust, built to last, Henkelman quality, intuitive interface with the top 4 requested programs. Let me show you how the panel works. All right, the AERO panel, incredibly intuitive, easy to use. Start your day with the center button to start the unit. It goes immediately to the last program you had left or used prior. The first one is a straight compact. The second one is our soft air, our fragile technology, one of my favorite programs. The third one is our liquid control, seal any type of liquid automatically without spilling a drop, game changing. And last but not least, we have our external vacuum to connect to our green vac one-pan system, amazing as well. So even with this panel, it's incredibly fluid and easy to adjust parameter settings to your specific liking. So as an example, program 1 is set at 99% air extraction. That's full vacuum. The higher the percentage, the longer the shelf life of the product's obviously going to be. Now, I'd like to adjust this a bit because it's a piece of fish. I don't want to smash it. With the power, obviously, of this unit, we could do so. So let's reduce the vacuum just a bit. So to do so, hit the right arrow, and it'll tell us the vacuum, which is set right now at 99%. Let's drop that down to 90, and just continue on your way to the right. The seal time is standard out of the box set at 2.2 seconds, which is more than suffice for a 2.5, a 3 ml bag. If you're going 4 or 5 ml, you might want to adjust the heat of the seal bar just a tad so you get a beautiful seal as always. I could turn on or off the soft air, so create a fragile function as well. Continue to the right, it'll ask you to save, and just continue to the right, and boom, by magic, we have our compact, which is a straight seal, set up at 90%. So let's adjust the soft air. Give you an example. Let's do some dinner rolls, which I'll show you. Let's bring down that vacuum big time. So keep in mind, we're trying to extract as much air as possible, but a dinner roll has quite a bit of air in the product. I'm not trying to pull the air out of the roll, just maximize the air I extract out of the bag. So I'm going to bring it to 50%. I continue to the right, and I'm going to use 8 seconds of soft air, adjust that, continue to the right, it asks you to save, say yes. Now I have my fragile soft air program preset for 50%, ideal for dinner rolls. So program 3 is our liquid control. It's a game changer. It senses the peak evaporation point of any type of liquid. So you could be on the other side of the building while your clam chowder is sealing safely within the Henkelman without spilling a drop. So program number 3, preset, 99% LC stands for the liquid control. If I need to adjust that, if I have more cream-based or egg whites that I'm adding, you might want to drop the percentage of your vacuum just a tad, about 92, and just go ahead and save it. Now we've adjusted it for other products. We could technically turn on the soft air as well. Why would I need that under liquid control? Imagine a clam chowder, you have the beautiful steamed veg. The last thing I want is to smash it while I'm sealing. So I'm going to use the power of the liquid control sensor, and I'm going to add a bit of soft air to maximize the air extraction, but slow mold, and I'm not crushing the carrots, the potatoes that are in your clam chowder. As with all our tabletops, we have the ability to connect our external vacuum adapter, and it works for the AERO as well. Very easy to do. Just grab your hose, and we're going to connect the outer end to the valve within the chamber. And very easy to do. Just find that external vacuum program, and we're ready to go to work.